Hello, so it's 3rd of April 2017, about 7:30 in the evening. Yeah, what's been going on? It's been a busy week. Was up to Norwich on the weekend, which was great. Caught up with a friend there, and then met up with a load of people from my various trading circles, which was great. Before going out raving, and then obviously yesterday I was just recovering in bed, really. What else have I got going on? I've been trying to outsource a little bit more, so not so much on the business front, but I've recently been getting a cleaner in. I've been getting my car sorted by clean by outsourcing as well. So yeah, we're just working with that kind of stuff. Straight back into trading wise, a small loss this week over the last period, 0.4%, two trades. Again, these numbers are about right. I'm losing such a small amount here, but it's continual, and I need to get out of this groove, but I don't think I'm trading hideously. See where this takes us. I had an Aussie USD trade, which I think my stop just was brought in a little bit too tight, and I got stopped out due to that. Yeah, it's the old favourite, isn't it? Do you aim? I like to get risk off the table as soon as possible, but as soon as you start squeezing, you're in a bit of trouble. But anyway, that was that. That has happened. New Zealand Swissy. Can't even remember what happened there. New Zealand Swissy. What was this? This feels like it's ancient. 15th. Yeah, just a trade that completely collapsed. Fine. It's going to happen. What have we got going on at the moment? So I will have a look at these are trades I've got open. So I've got 0.4% across the board open at the moment, which is small. These two bad boys are actually with some profit locked in, so we'll have a look at those. So starting at the bottom, Aussie CAD. So this was a big old support and resistance play. Now, interestingly, CAD has it's coming back. The CAD had run a little bit bearish today, which has been dragging me through the mud. But it looks like I might still be alive. I thought I was going to get stopped out actually. Just checking my other screen. Yeah, it looks like I'm still alive, although I'm down 0.46 for the day. But anyway, this play here is off of these peaks. Every time I look at this, I think that my stop loss is far too big here. I could be definitely getting away with something around this level, I think. But anyway, that is the play. Yep, I might take this up to break even soon and then start trailing it. But yeah, that was the play, Aussie CAD. So that's doing its thing. It's up a little bit. What else have we got? We've got USD CAD. So you can see all these CAD pairs coming out here. USD CAD's not looking so pretty. As I say, it ran against me today. Let's go right in there. Yeah, you can see we've got a bullish CAD move. Although it is coming off of this 134 line. Yeah, 10 pips down. So I haven't got a lot of risk, and there's 0.11. So yeah, see what that does. This is very bullish though. It's quite likely. It could definitely continue on. Hopefully we're just stuck in a range and we'll continue to the downside here, but time will tell. Where am I jumping to? USO. Okay, now I caught a big move on USO. So USO being US oil. Yeah, quite happy with this trade. So I was looking at this here, looking for this buy signal here on the daily, and yeah, I put in an order, and off we went. So there's been quite a nice bit of movement on there. I've got some money locked in. What have I got locked in? About 0.15, 15 quid, is it? Yeah, 0.15%. So yeah, we'll see where this trails to. Obviously, a bit of a retracement here. It's not going to go on forever. And I'm hiding my stop behind this 50 level. So I'm hoping we're above. I'm playing it as if we're above the 50 and we're going to continue bullish, but we'll see. I've got a very ambitious limit on here. I will trail with it though till we get anywhere. Interestingly, my good friend of mine got out around very near the top of here. I wouldn't be surprised if he timed that particularly right. Just going off of these peaks here. So fair play that man, a very solid move. Um, it will be interesting to see what you know where this goes. Obviously, my play is that it's going to continue running. And what was the next one I've got open? CAD Swiss. God, it's really funny how you can't remember these till you see them. CAD Swiss. Yeah. Now this was a 2-hour play. Let me get a 2-hour chart here. Yeah, and I'm lucky to be alive, and there is luck involved. Wow, luck. Let's get luck out of the freaking equation, and you know, my stop looks like it's been well placed here because you can see it's come down and very, you know, very nearly clipped me out. So with a good wind, this will just continue up. I am anxious that that I am so close to it. I don't like being that close to anything because it's so easy for the, you know, the market FXCM to just kind of go, yeah, flip it through a few pips to have me. But at the same time, my stops only go one way. You know, if I'm buying, they're going up. I'm not moving them down. So I will leave that for the time being. It did fall a bit short here. We've got 17 minutes till this candle closes, I believe, assuming that opened at 6, did it? Yeah. So that looks like, you know, I might live to fight another day. So that's that. As I say, I am currently for the day 0.43 down. I did go about 0.5 down for the day. So yeah, let's just see where that goes. Where am I going next? I am going to, yeah, so actions wise, I'm not really dying for any more positions, to be honest. But it is worth having a look at the trades I've noticed. So what have I got here? I'll see if I can remember why I noticed them. Aussie, Swissy. Help me, God. Aussie dollar, Swissy. So why did I like this? What was I thinking? Can't remember. Did I leave a note? Short, not looking too bad. Yeah, okay. So that's okay. That's this. I'm looking at this sell signal here. Okay. I've also got a let's put this on here. I've also got a 2-hour chart looking up. So if any of you trade the itchy cloud the way we do, you know, we're starting to move through that. We've also got a reasonable sell signal on here, and we are in a kind of descending channel of sorts. Again, I don't particularly use these for you know, for too much kind of, I don't trade off of them, but we are definitely in some form of channel. Whether it stays there or not, I don't know. So yeah, my play is, you know, I'm arguing that this could continue south. Over looking at the weekly, we are in an uptrend, so that would be would make me hesitate. Now I see that. So let's keep going with that analysis there. So we've got some sort of weekly channel like so. So it could well get turbulent around this area here, which is exactly where we are. So now I've looked at that. Can we do that? I don't know how this works here. And then I go back down to the 8. Can I do that? Ooh, look at that. Look at that big old circle. Yeah, so it's likely to go short, but you know, who knows what it's going to do here. So I will set that one aside. That was just a quick bit of analysis off the cuff. Euro NZD. Euro NZD. How are we doing? Are we recording? Are we doing okay for time? 9 minutes? Yeah, we're good. Euro NZD. Come on, come on. I don't write enough notes at the moment as to why it's fall through support. Yeah, okay. So we're at support of this 152 level. So, you know, drawing it on the chart, you could be looking for a play that's along the lines of, there's your support level. So eventually you would look for this sucker to come through it, and then maybe it would make it down to here, or maybe here, for being ambitious. Then look for a pullback to here, and then shut the hell out of it there, man. So yeah, although I mean, who knows if it gets that far? It might come off the 151. Yep. So I'll keep an eye on that. Of course, it might just bounce straight off here and get stuck in a range, and then we'll see what will happen with that. And then CAD Swiss, I've just noted why I can't even remember why, so we'll have to do that. Ah, yeah, that's the trade I'm in. So I'm in it from a 2 hour perspective, and yeah, look at that. It's setting up nicely for a sell signal. So I may, if I get clipped out of that, may play it short, although um, excuse me, there's no massive trend going on. But anyway, that's that. We'll come back and have a look at some other markets, have a look at the equities. But news-wise, there is some stuff coming on. Non-farm payrolls on Friday. So that'll be big. Got some CAD stuff coming out Friday. Lots of USD stuff, Aussie stuff. So yeah, there's plenty of Bank of England, GBP. So there's loads of news out there this week. Which means we could be getting thrown all over the place. Sorry, I'm tired. I've had a long day and a big weekend. There's a surprise. Now, what else can we just have a look at? Let's have a look at UK 100. So, yeah, kind of stuck around this, just above this 250 level here. Yeah, still amazing, really. What else can we look at? US oil, we've done. Woo! Let's have another look at oil from a fundamental perspective. So I mentioned it because I'm in the trade, but yeah, oil does appear to be heading north again. We've got this quite nice channel here. 50 will be a big number, and we're kind of just floating above that now. Interesting to see what happens from there. And what about our favourite metal, silver? God, sending myself to sleep here. Come on, Phil, be more interesting. Be more interesting. Yeah, so we're at this kind of shoulder level here, which, it kind of did a shoulder, came down, and this was interesting, actually. I didn't really see this 17 being a big number, but it has been. That's off up there now. Interestingly, I will get rid of that now. That was just a kind of, if it got down there, play. Yeah, so watch this space. I like it when silver... Ooh, Christ, sorry. I like it when silver moves up. Makes me feel good in my soul. But anyway, that's that. Watch out for the news. It's going to be a bit turbulent. Yeah, keep on doing your thing. Keep on crushing. Keep on grinding. Keep on having a great time, man. And live the dream.